Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I did a video and I used the symmetry tool on this one. I'm not exactly, you got to be careful with what you're doing on the edges. Or the other one, if you didn't watch part one, I have some, where's the other? See, I made these by hand on part one, but I made this with the symmetry tool. So I'm gonna just start. I'm gonna go to Object and Symmetry and create a symmetry. Your default's going to be 1, but make it up like to 6. And the more you have, the more, you know what, let's go 8. Now what's going to happen is going to be in real time, but I've used the symmetry tool before, but never with the artistic media tool. So we're going to go from there, and look at that. I don't like that, but we need to go down and up and around. You get to see what it's going to look like real time. And you can take and still take the artistic media tool and make this thicker. Watch the line get thicker. Well, maybe because I wasn't on it. Well, going up so little. There we go. So your line's thicker. We can make it 0.8. And see, those are going to cross, and we don't really know what they're going to look like. But maybe we can try this. If we take this tool and put it right in the middle, those two pieces should join. And then just take your artistic media tool. So when you draw with this, no matter which direction you go, the last part will be the tip. So if we go this way, we're going to have the tip down here. I don't like doing that. But see here, I'd go right from the center and go like that. But also you could pick the one that is straight across. It's just a thicker line. I like the ones with tails, and I like the one with a round head on it. But see, and you could add stuff inside there. I don't know, say you should do that. But it's pretty cool to go, wow, that looks pretty cool. Let me add a line here, and it just adds it. And then when you're drawing it with 8, you have a lot less room to worry about, but it's multiplying. And I guess you could do some of them with artistic media tool and some of them without, and then change them. And then just go through and we need a couple more down here. See, that created like a star, but I guarantee when we quit, that's going to be bad. So let's take it and put it on the line. Take away that node. See that, I guess when you're doing this, you just have to make sure you either start or stop on the line itself so you won't be able to tell that you're doing anything. Now you could add ellipses like we did in the first one. You know what? Then this would be the time you would want to change your pen tool where it actually produced a color, a field automatically. And you could do stars. But see, I'd put one on both sides. And then when you're done, just hit finish. Now you're going to have to select it all and fill in the black holes. I didn't select it all. And then take away the outline. I personally like the other way I did, but that just gives you another option. And you could edit it. That's one thing after you look at it, you go, well, I don't really like that. Well, you could edit it by moving nodes around and see how it did both of them. Let's say I don't like that one at all. You could take it, well, I kind of like that, but it's a little too thick. So you could make it thinner. Well, I guess maybe you can't because you're editing it and you're editing like that circle or that ellipse is too close. Let's put yeah, that didn't work. take the pick tool and just move it over. And then you could add more by hitting the space bar and putting ellipses wherever you want them, and it put them everywhere. And then go to finish. Now I personally don't know if the artistic media tool is there. Let's go left click. Well, you can't even see it's done. Can't really do anything to it. Anyway, just another way to play and come up with something. I still like my first way, even though you could see what's going on and how it's going to look. The other was kind of like you didn't know what it was going to look like till you copied it over. Then it was just like, wow. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.